Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to create a simple logo using GIMP in Kali Linux. So in case you want to make yourself create yourself or for your YouTube channel or your website or your company a logo, and you're using Linux, and you need to do something quicker without hiring any graphic designer. What you're gonna do here, you have to install the software called GMP. So I have it already installed on my PC. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here and say GIMP GN. Okay, so that's what we get, GIMP GNU. So here is what you do. The first thing you have to do is you have to create a new here you have to decide which dimensions you have to use. I'm gonna say 1000 by 1000 just for example, and here don't forget to click the advanced option and make fill width that should be transparency, because if you make it transparency, it can sit on each and any object and doesn't show any background, like the way you see website logos sit on the websites. They are transparent, so they don't have a background. So even if you make letters and stuff, all that space should be shown and take the and fill in the website, so well it will fit in there. So guys, after that you say okay. After saying okay here, what you're gonna do, you should maybe, if you want, but this time we won't do that, we want to do something quicker for you. You can go straight and click on the text here A. So if you want to create some boxes, you can get them here. Like maybe you want to create a rectangle, then you come there and you can fill in colors here if you want to, but this should be always, the default should be black and white. So if you find it like it's not black and white, so you must change it. So these are shapes. You can create this shape, and in that shape you can fill in to be black and white, or to be black, whatever you want to do. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do what, all these are options to play with everywhere. Here you can say fill with, you can do that. So we fill something here. You see this rectangle, now it's what, it's black, in a black color. But if you don't want to use that, or you want to use a different color, also you can change. Let me see if we can change this color and say okay, it didn't change. But what if we do this and we try to put this to be red, and we go to edit here, fill with, you can see the color change of the background we need on the rectangle we're gonna create. But this time what we're gonna do, we can take this out. You can also create a circle here and make it like to be like this, and also maybe you could change the color here and select that color, and also still go to edit and fill in that color. So you can see we have something similar to this, something bluish, a very beautiful thing to do. Here you can create maybe another rectangle here inside this, and say we're gonna create a smaller one here, and maybe we go here and we change its color and say yes. And also if we come here on edit, you can say fill with, you can see now things are getting there. So you can create a logo like this. It looks pretty beautiful. Then you can start maybe designing your words in here, inside or outside, whatever you need to do. This looks like an egg anyway, so but anyway, don't worry about that. So I'm gonna delete everything. I wanna do just a simple logo. I wanted to show you some options you may have if you want to. So here, these you can play with each and every tool here. These links, they give you different options. Okay, so we're gonna go Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. So now we don't have anything in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select my air here and try to say Azania tutorials. Yes, yeah. So tutorials, there's some spelling tutorials mistakes. Okay guys, if you want to make this a little bit bigger, you can select a letter here and make it big or small, but now we can make the letter be big. If you want also this letter to be big, is fine. You make it to be bigger than everything so that it looks a little bit nice. Okay guys, we want to do something which is gonna be simple for everybody, so you can select here and maybe you can change the color. You can make this color to be red if you want to, or you can leave this to be black if you want to. You can check here and select the black color, and yes, we have Azania tutorial just right now. So what we're gonna do here, so we're gonna save this our logo. So you can look at YouTube. There's nothing fancy there. They just write something like wording and they have it say what YouTube, so they don't need a lot of graphics on it. So something plain and simple, but if you want something complicated, it's up to you. You can do that, but I just wanted to show that in Kali Linux or Ubuntu Linux, you can draw your or design your logo using a free software. This is called GNU or GIMP. So after doing that, we can quickly save this logo and we say export. We're gonna export that logo like Azania tutorials logo. So after we save, okay, remember this should be a PNG. Automatically it's gonna do that and say export. After exporting, leave all these things, but if you wanna change them, you can. I will say export. After exporting, that simply means we've done with our logo. So what we're gonna do, we can click somewhere here and we go to images and we look for Azania tutorials. Wow, I don't think I get anything here from pictures. Okay, let me see. No, this is something I created before, and if I look at this, something created before also, and I wonder what went wrong. I didn't select, I think so where I have to save it, but you can see it's saved. It's gonna, I think it's under documents. We can go to your documents here and you click here. Okay, that's what we have here. You can see your logo is here, simple logo. So you can see the background is transparent, so it means there's nothing here, so you can put it on something, anything else you want to put it on. For instance, we can create our Microsoft Word, or we call it what, but Office something in Linux. So we go in here, we want to prove that that logo is transparent, and we say insert image. We go to my document and we find Azania tutorial, and we open that here. You can see, you can look at this, everything is transparent here, so you can see there's no background on this image. Yeah, no guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So you can do a lot of things in that software, even if you want to do your flyers, whatever, business card and everything. This is the software. It has all tools here, so you can play with one by one, and you will know how to use it as time goes on. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.